Hello friends, I Ranjit, all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ranjit's Karate Practice. So today I will show you the punches that help you for your self-defense, which I shown in 3 videos which I previously upload. Okay, and so today I will show those punch practically. Okay, so let's start the video. So the first technique which I will show, that is single punch. Okay, and that is on the belly level, that is Gidan. Okay, I have shown you. Okay, and that is this. Okay, this. Okay, see, and I also told you the tips that to twist it. Okay, and then I come to the Chudan. Okay, this is, and that is the chest part. Okay, so that is like that, that, that. Okay, and this is, and again see this, this. Okay, and then come to, and that is on the face. Okay, see this. Okay, and see, and this need to twist I shown you. Okay, this at the face. Okay, and all of these the punch which I shown you, that are all demo. Okay, and not the real punch. Okay, so I only shown you this for to understand you that how this punch or where this punch uh, are done. Okay, so these are the 3 punch, and then come to double punch. Okay, and I told you that this punch is 2 technique. One first is false punch, and then with a uh, real punch or the single punch, or the two are the real punch or the double punch. Okay, like this. Okay, and in the real punch, the first is on the chest or belly, or in the face or belly, like this. Or if you do the false punch, see this at there, see there, and then go in the front of your enemy with the false punch like this, and then this. Okay, see this false punch. Okay, or you also can do this real punch, but yeah, you can do this also a real punch. Okay, and this on the face, and you should bend like some this, and this is this stance. This is also a stance, and this stance is called Jenko Sodachi. Okay, see, the front leg is that and the back leg is straight. See this. Okay, and this is like that. Okay, and if you down in this position, then you got more power. Okay, and your punch will go straight. Okay, and if you do from there, then this punch is not work on that, and if you do is very strongly, then it can be work. Okay, and I should tell you to do this punch on the belly, as our belly is very soft. Okay, this. Okay, this, this. Okay, and then come to Sandansuki or triple punch. Okay, and this is on the face or the Jodan part, and then Chudan part, and then Gidan part. All the 3 punch like this, this. Okay, and then do this, this. Okay, this is Sandansuki, and these are all the combining of the first technique. Okay, and then come to hook punch. Okay, and that is very close, at a close distance of from your enemy, and do this like at the temple which I have told, this at the here. Okay, see this, 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 this. Okay, and you also do this on these ribs. Okay, like this, Okay, and this punch is very much effective, I also told. Okay, and then and this punch is like, if you do it originally, then this punch is like that. This, this, this. Okay, see from this angle, this, this, this. Okay, and then Urakan Zuki. Okay, and this is open hand. Okay, see, like open hand, and then do this on the this part or the temple part of your head. Okay, this, see, this, 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 like you chopping on the enemy's head. Okay, this, this, this. Okay, or on the neck, this, at the neck, at the neck. Okay, then the then reverse it, then it will do like that, that at the temple, at the neck, at in there. Okay, this is reverse. And then come to the Superman punch, or the from the lower to upper hook punch. Okay, and that is that on the throat, sorry, chin. Okay, this at there. Okay, and this is like that. Okay, and this punch is also effective, and you should come in this point of your enemy, that the enemy is close to you. Okay, then you should do this. Okay, yeah, and then come to knife punch, or it is also open hand. Okay, and this is open, and then do on the throat, like their enemy's throat, and then on the eyes you can also do this. Okay, and this is also effective, uh, and for this you need much practice. Okay, and then come to knuckle punch, and this is like this. Okay, this is on the enemy's chest, like there. Okay, there, like this, in this, and this. Okay, on the forehead. Okay, like this. Okay, and this, and then the uh, knuckle punch. Okay, and this is by your knuckle, this is not, and this is like this, and then you do this. Okay, this. Okay, see, this. Okay, and this is on the belly, on the nose, on the head, everywhere you can. Okay, and then do the hammer punch. Okay, hammer punch, this is this, from this on the head of the enemy. Okay, on the shoulders, they are. Okay, this is hammer punch, and it is like that, that 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 and if enemy is taller than you, then you can do this with a jump, like this. Okay, see, with a jump, and then do the hammer punch on the enemy's head. Okay, uh, then uh, and all of the punch which I have shown you, you can do this with a combine, like you go with a false punch, then do a hammer punch with a jump. Okay, and then, and you should do this with the position of the enemy. Okay, you should do this by your own. Okay, and this, and this is too much. Okay, this is, this video is okay, this much today, and thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then please press the like icon and press the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon to get the notification of my video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.